Hi everybody, good morning. This is Mary and Glenn's Adventure. We are very excited about this long weekend. We are staying over at a friend's house. The sun is just coming up in Florida and it is in the 30s. Gracie Joe is exploring their big yard. This weekend we will be going to Sanford, Mount Dora, and Buc-Ee'S in Daytona Beach. So come and join us, spend some time. We are here in Mount Dora. This is Mary and Glenn's Adventures. We're starting at the chef's table. Flame show, 4th week monthly. Here's Sears, Roebuck and Company Kit Home. To go cocktails. Mars Mountain, Florida, USA Moonshine. We are with Miss Gracie Joe today. She has her Buc-Ee'S sweatshirt on. And right across the street, here's the Mount Dora sign. Greetings from Mount Dora to Florida. Here is Sunset Park. And straight ahead is the water. Okay, Checkered Moon. We're on 4th Street Avenue. Premier Boat Tours, Gatehouse. Restrooms, prices rising, boat tours. Let's go. Boat tours. Okay, thank you. And we're across the street again at the Mars Mountain Moonshine.
Over there, but
they're building one in our area.
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, off the canyon.
The Village Suites, nightly, weekly, and monthly rentals. Good Vibes Candle Company. Yeah. And we have arrived at our destination. Pet-friendly establishment. Pets welcome with well-behaved owners.
Tourist information.
Tourist information. Ah, look at that. I thought that was the way you got in. And there's Gracie Joe. Okay, this is authentic British fish fry.
It was good.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yeah, food's delicious. Delicious.
Is he a rescue dog?
No, but she's just
Make your beer magical.
Very friendly.
Glendrick Flights.
Where do we want to sit? You
Oh,
got
rescue dog. I'm sorry. I thought you meant service dog. Oh, she is. We adopted her when she was 4. Yeah. They
Okay.
make the best pets.
So I am going to just go around and show you the rest of the front of the building here. Magical Meat Boutique. Best fish and chips in Florida. And next door we have Olive Branch Grill and Bar. Mediterranean Italian, open for lunch and dinner. That looks very, very nice.
You know, the husband's wasted.
And here's where we're going to be stopping right here. Magical Meat Boutique, established 1963. Mount Dora, 2014. In London, it was 1963. British pub, food, fine ales, wine, spirits, live music. It says, please seat yourself inside or out. So that's us. However many.
this type
Is
of
that
chair is not bad.
good?
Gonna work? Okay.
So I mean, if we can find a spot in the sun, that'd be perfect.
Yeah.
It's a bit nippy in here.
What do you think, Gracia?
So you want it like that?
Okay, yeah,
Hey!
that's perfect.
This is musical chairs. Go round, and when the music stops, sit down. Round and round and round and round and round and round we go. Round and round and round and round. Where we stop, we don't know. Round and round and round and
Sure, we can take one of
round
these
and
here.
round we go. Round and round and round and round. Where we stop, we don't know. Stop, sit down. If you don't find a chair.
And here's cheers. Yay.
Everybody knows your name,
Yeah.
and then after you drink enough, you won't. So.
I found our way to Mount Dora Olive Oil Company.
I really want it very good.
Let's go.
Well, if he's gonna cook, you're gonna cook. You really need to win.
Okay. We love pets, but service animals. Okay. Ooh. Sriracha. Fettuccine. All kinds of balsamic. Ooh, look at this beautiful mural.
I do. This is vinegars.
Pretty picture. Okay. Wow. Woohoo.
Awesome.
Here's the olive oil. Look at this cilantro roasted. Wow.
This is awesome. This
A lime. We'll have to try some. Wow, look at this pretty picture. Champagne wine vinegar.
Put this in there.
Jalapeno. Oh, Glen would like that. Oh, out of stock. Let's see. Did you try that?
This.
it's out of stock.
It's my ultimate,
And-
look at my ultimate favorite
And the black truffle.
mushroom stuff. But see, you can try little baby ones, look.
They have little ones here that you can try. They have sample cups.
Yes.
So
But
I'm going to
you
do
take-
that. We are right across from the Renaissance, and look at all the stores that are here. Ooh, let's do a Maine lobster roll. There's ice cream. The barber shop. Restrooms, Frog and Monkey. Sunset Park, we were over there. Now we're at Piglet's Dog Bakery. Look what it says. Dogs welcome, people tolerated. Let's pull the handles. Look at all the toys.
Hey, it's good enough to eat. I mean,
Oh, Muddy Paws.
look at this.
Gracie, what do you want?
She might pick out something. I don't know. Not a rock.
What a fun store. Pupcakes.
Years.
How about a bacon Barbecue?
Does that look like her?
No. The ears don't flop down.
Welcome.
Okay,
We found a little one.
What is it? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
You want? Just carry it?
Lamb chops.
Found it already?
3 for $4.99. Here. Get that? No, you're not going to eat it here. Take it to go. Come on.
Take it to go.
You have it? Come on, you carry
Come
it.
on, Gracie, let's go.
Okay, you carry it. We gotta get 3. She knows what she wants. She picks it out. Well, we went to a store one day and she picked out a cornucopia toy, which had actual fruit toy fruit inside, with squeakers in them.
Oh, Jesus.
And she carried that thing all the way from the store, all the way to our car.
See all the bandanas?
We'll have to get one.
Yeah, they're cool.
$5.34.
This one has puppies all over it.
Oh, I'm gonna come around.
Gracie.
Wipe your paws. What a fun store for your puppy. We have some of these at home to bake doggy cookies.
Okay, let's go. You gotta carry it. Come on.
I'm gonna get something for her.
Well, you gotta push the bag.
Who has to get something for her?
Huh? What? Oh, yeah. Well, slow
You gotta
down.
be slow
Come
there.
over here.
Like a lady.
You can. Zena, like she stole it. I paid for
know.
that. You can take your time. Wait, drop it.
Aww.
Yeah, she's returned.
Got it?
No, she can carry that.
Oh, she's gonna eat it.
No, she's trying to rush.
Yes, she is.
Hi. Well, hello. Do you jump up? There's 2 of you over there. Hello. Are they friendly?
Yeah.
Hi, my friend. I love you.
Gosh, baby.
Hi.
We had Italian Greyhounds growing up.
Oh yeah, yeah. We had greyhounds, the whippets, and that's a greyhound mix.
Would this fit her?
Yes.
Okay.
I liked that one too.
That's cute, isn't it? I'm gonna still look around.
Right.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, what a fun tour.